Hello lovely people, welcome back to the Door to Raw. My name is Julianne and the Door to Raw is about eating more and more living plant foods to detoxify, regenerate and heal your body. So we're moving more and more away from cooked foods and foods that cause inflammation and just make us feel really crappy. But today, we have a bit of a treat on our hands. This is one of my favorite comfort foods. It is a cooked base. It's a cooked bread base, so it will slow down your detox. And sometimes you just want something a little bit more. This will hit the spot for that. It's not raw. However, the ingredients on top are consumed raw, so it's not too far off the raw wagon. Let's have a look at the ingredients, but before we do, remember to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and welcome if you're new. I hope you enjoy this video. All right, let's get into how to make this really delicious raw, half raw, semi-raw, not quite raw pizza. We've got this yummy Turkish bread, sauerkraut, potatoes, mushrooms, sugar-free pizza sauce. Drain the sauerkraut and chop your ingredients to your liking, slice, dice, it's all good. However you enjoy it, pop it on, put some avocado on. You can see I just lightly mush it all up with adding some lemon as well. Now the bread is what takes a little bit of work. If it's frozen, it will take you about 10 minutes to get it really crispy. So what you'll see is I keep flipping them around until it's nice and crispy like a big chip. Now, if it's not frozen, it will probably take about 6 minutes. Crispy goodness. And now we get to decorate our pizza, of course. Now, if you've got kids, they're gonna love decorating your raw pizza with you. So smash it on, and then you can even play a little game like who can not drop the ingredients of their pizza. There you have it, boys and girls. I hope you enjoy my sauerkraut pizza. Let me know if you try it. Send me a message over on Instagram or Facebook. Take a photo. I'd love to see what you do with it. And I hope you really enjoy it. And remember to check out some of my other videos. And until next time, I wish you a beautiful week ahead, and namaste. My thoughts are with you. Bye for now.